Been playing with the laser. It's been fun. I did this design. It does really intricate work. Yeah, I didn't get to cut it out. It was just taking way too long. For some reason, it doesn't like particle board. I guess because of the glues. So, but it's still pretty. It'd make a really nice etching on a box. And then I did plastic finally. Smooth cut, no sharp edges. And for size, I made a baby one. And it did it really well. I wasn't sure how it would work, but I did tile. I should have went over a little bit longer, and get a different color, but I thought black would show up better. See, that was pretty cool. And if I would have done it to where it etches all this, then it'd really stand out. Then I custom made this one. And again, I think my laser is off slightly. And I gotta work on it because it's not engraving up here now. I tried to adjust it because it was only cutting half my item out. So I have to see about fixing it. But see, I Heart Arizona. Just an idea I came up with, and see where it goes. Now, whether on tile or anything that's highly detailed doesn't always turn out. This was a skull. You could vaguely see the eyes and the teeth and stuff, but it was a lost cause. But I wanted to see what it would do. It engraved it pretty neat, but you can't tell it's a skull. Kind of looks like a rock pattern. This was a video that I started, but the laser lost power from here to here. You can see. And so I have to readjust it and then sand this down and start again. But I'm just showing you the problem I was having. There's certain parts of the laser that's not hitting right, so it's losing its power. So, but this was a box I was making up and practicing on. So, and I'll get it done. I mean, got to play with it. Of course, some of the first things I did was welcome signs. I didn't quite know what I was doing at the first, so that's why it's not centered. But I'm getting better at it. All about practice. This is just a short video to show some of the things that I tried to do and some things I was successful at and some things I got to work on, but I still think it's pretty cool that I can cut plastic. It didn't take very long, like 4 passes. Like I said, I think my laser needs to be aligned a little better. So, but thanks for watching.